Look out racing. Man, Bearded Barber say he know you. You talking about him with the hat? Yeah. You know Pro Stock 62? Yeah, he know you. Look out. Hey, you on my YouTube channel, right?
Yes, sir. Look out.
Yeah, look out, man. He already on here, man. Dang. You finna make a full pass? That way I can bet Funky Town, and if the other car don't make a full pass, he'll just say it's a setup, and I'll win. All right, I know this car gonna make a full pass, y'all. Okay, hey, he finna make a full pass, y'all. Kirk Williams, I'm finna go bet Funky Town, get paid. Let me see. Somebody talking about, what you say? How do so many people race and still not no lookout? That blows my mind. It be blowing mine too. It look like it. Look out. You on my YouTube channel, right? You don't know. Look. It's going down like James Brown. You know him, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, it's going down just like that on here, man. I got the QR code right there. Man, I got all, man, your homeboys and everything been on her. I'm trying to, you know Derek Kelly?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, he on her. You know Big Chief from the Street Outlaws? Yeah, man, he put me on. Yeah, I'm with him.
Are you?
Yeah, he be on my channel. As soon as you get on here, you gonna see Big Chief. Yeah, that's my homeboy. Yeah, I got my transmission. I ain't got my transmission from him yet, but hey, look at you on my YouTube channel.
I'm on fire or not?
Yeah, I think you.
Check it out.
I sure appreciate it, man. Yeah, we got Big Mo Racing.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, that's you? Hey, man, how long you been racing?
30 years.
Damn, that's a long time. What was your first motor, man, before you went exotic?
Oh, this ain't exotic.
So this is stock block?
Well, yeah, it's conventional.
Oh, it is?
Big block Chevy.
I thought you went aftermarket block, man. This ain't no dart block, no little M, nothing.
Oh, it's a big block. It's a big block.
Damn. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that kind of amazed me a little bit.
Yeah. So big block on nothing.
Okay, so what was your first size motor that you put?
350.
You had a 350. Okay, what was your first motor you put nitrous on?
Once again, probably 350.
A 350.
Yeah.
What was the maximum nitrous you put on a 350?
On a 350, about 325.
325. How long did it last?
Oh man, way back then.
Yeah.
About a summer.
About a summer?
Yeah.
Okay, he got a summer out of it. Was that stock rods and pistons, or you?
Oh no, it wasn't stock.
You had
pistons.
everything.
No, I didn't have everything, but I needed some more. That's why it lasted the summer.
Damn, man, he was on the legs in the summer.
Yeah.
You were handling business though during that summer.
I was having fun.
Yeah, that's good. Hey, man, this a real racer right here, y'all. Big Mo, man. For real, man. I can tell. I know one when I know one when I heard one, y'all. He a real right. He had a 350 with 320. Well, I'm at 325. Dang. They say I gotta watch out for you, man.
How about all that?
What?
Just trying to wade through all these guys.
What?
There's some fast cars in here, man.
Man.
Some heavy hitters right here.
Dang.
Well, you a guy with a fast car, that man up there with that black one.
That black one, that's a badass. Let me go holler at his badass. AKA Wild Thing said they miss me at Lion, Tigers, and Bears. Man, oh snap. Look who we got over here, y'all. She always doing something with her little self. What is you doing? Who I need to bet with? Because I'm trying to make some money. They say you always know.
Their son is in the Air Force.
They son in the Air Force. I figure that means he got extra money. Yeah, when you get in the Air Force, you know you get extra money, right? I'm trying to tell you then, when you in the Air Force, you get extra money. You need to know from now on. When you go to the Air Force, that means you get extra money. You get to get stuff first. They be treating you special. Like you got extra privileges if you go to the Air Forces. You know that from now on, right? I'm trying to tell. I got a homeboy. He get all the newest stuff first because he been to the Air Force. Yeah, man. He was dropping bombs and stuff in the airplane. So I'm telling you. And you said I need to bed with him right there. I'm finna bed with him, y'all. What you doing in here, miss? You finna make a full pass? Oh, this Julie Webb. This her car. Miss, I ain't know this was your car. Boy, that mud clean. You got this from your daddy or something? For real? Where your husband at? In that black shirt, that's him? Oh, that's him. Taller, mad looking uncle. Boy, them some clean wheels on there. God. Man, it's going down over here while I'm ready to do something else. Hey, you on my YouTube channel? Yeah, man, it's going down like James Brown. Y'all check it out. I want all y'all on it. I got all your home.
I'm with him.
Can you get one of your uncle or somebody, miss? Tell your brother or something. I want your brother. Oh, you don't talk to him? Well, he wasn't no good. Her brother wasn't no good, y'all, but she gonna tell her other friends. She got some friends. She knows some people. She knows some people. Hey, wherever her brother, he's still living, right? Yeah.
I just don't talk to him.
Yeah. Her brother that's still living, that she don't talk to, you done messed up. You done, whatever you done did, you need to apologize right now. We expecting a call from you this week. We're gonna give you a week to let somebody notify you about the video. But after this, you need to apologize, or that's it. That's it right now. I ain't playing with you no more. You need to apologize because you was wrong. Automatically. I already know you was wrong because she ain't messing with you no more. Somebody contact her brother. I got somebody on here know you, miss. Contact her brother. Tell her he need to apologize right now. I ain't playing no more games with him. None. And tell him to subscribe too, because I'm the one made y'all relationship better, you know what I'm saying, for the family. You know what I'm saying? This here gonna go eternal life. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all wasn't messing with each other until y'all seen the channel. So, hey, apologize, go on, make it right.